Today I am going to show how to design and how to edit a 3D product. I designed this frying pan. Just it's a shape of fish. See this bottom or top or another view. Okay. Actually, I took a shape of fish, so that's why I use this shape. And to show you, just this is the shape fish. I took this shape from this fish. Okay. Now I will show everything. First I create this shape. Okay, then I sketch this, go to this area sketch, and it was a shape. Okay, then exit it, and I took many plane for better shape. Okay, then I go to this area sketch. I sketch a little bit 3D 2D. Then I extrude cut. Then again I use many fillet and I use many plane. There are many plane I took for the better way. Okay. Then I sketch another in the different way. Then I took surface plane and lifted surface loop. Edit this. Now see this loop. I took a loop for better shape. Now see it. Okay. Then I go to this neat surface and surface fill, then surface fill, again choose right click and this edit feature, and I choose this and choose surface neat. Okay, then combine for all shape. Okay, thank you for watching. If anyone need any kinds of 3D product design and development, you can knock me to get better design and critical design. Thank you for watching.